I just came back last week, alhamdulillah, from Pennsylvania. And I want to share a little experience. Some of you would have definitely had that experience. It was my first experience in my life. Actually, I happened to be the guest speaker at the formal opening of a sports facility and community center owned by a Muslim. There were two state representatives of Pennsylvania, city judge, very prominent, very prominent. They invited me. They look at our khutbah right here, and they invited me to do be the main guest and give the main address. Alhamdulillah, we're able to run into a lot of supporters, people who view this khutbah. Wow, I always say I think we have more supporters outside than here. There were people who were, wow, they couldn't believe they would meet me in person. They wanted to come down here who support Alhikmat, support this khutbah, look at it. So to all of you who are viewing worldwide, Ramadan Mubarak, we have some real devoted people that support. And may Allah bless all of you brothers and sisters who contribute to Al-Hikmat to make this Al-Hikmat TV live for people all over the world.